Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a cell-night gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 274 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, black MB text interior with a natural grain gray ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation and with voice command, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 50,144 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.